For all the good sensitivity, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you did right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up. Never let me fall. You're the one who told me to the heart. But my strength and I would be my voice and destiny. You were my eyes and I couldn't see. You saw the best and wanted me. You set me up when I couldn't breathe. You gave me back to do with you. I never think I am because you love me. You gave me the way that made me cry. You've done my hands back in such a time. I know my pain gave it back to me. You came down and I would reach. You stood by me and know I had your life. I'm grateful for the strength you gave me. Maybe I don't know the much. I know it's what you do. I was meant to call the love was true. You were saying I know. You were my eyes and I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. You set me up and I couldn't breathe. You gave me back to do with you. I'm everything I am because you love me. You were all there for me, tenderly, carried me, and the dawn shining your love into my life. You've been my inspiration to the love you ever do. I want a better day because of you. You must say I'm all to breathe. You're the best there was in me. I never think I am because you love me. Because you love me.